What's the meaning of collective farm? Collective farm. Collective farm.
Collective farm. Collective farm. A collective farm is a type of agricultural organization where land, equipment, and resources are collectively owned and managed by a group of individuals. This system was popularized during the Soviet era in Russia, where peasants were forced to give up their private land and livestock and work on state-controlled farms. The goal was to increase agricultural production and provide food security. However, the results were mixed, with some collective farms achieving success while many others suffered from poor management, inefficiency, and low productivity. Ultimately, the system was abandoned in the 1990s as part of economic reforms.